Rains persisted on Wednesday in Tamil Nadu's Kaveri Delta areas, impacting standing paddy crops and disrupting daily life throughout the state. The India Meteorological Department reported that a depression over the Bay of Bengal has intensified into a deep depression and is expected to further strengthen into a cyclonic storm. Named Cyclone Fengal, it is predicted to make landfall in Tamil Nadu on Wednesday.
We have given a prediction that it is likely to intensify into a tropical cyclone. The system is likely to move northwestwards for the time being, and afterwards we will see as it moves ahead, we will give the further forecast.
Large areas of salt pans in the districts of Nagapattinam and Villupuram were submerged due to the heavy rains. According to the IMD's latest rainfall update, very heavy rainfall was recorded in several regions, including 19 centimeters in Nagapattinam and 13 centimeters in Chennai. The forecast indicates that heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely to continue in isolated areas of Chennai, Thiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Chengalpattu, Villupuram, Ariyalur, Thanjavur, Thiruvarur, Nagapattinam and Pudukkottai districts.
We received around 19 centimeter rainfall yesterday from coastal Tamil Nadu. We are expecting today also extremely heavy rainfall is likely over Tamil Nadu, and tomorrow, day after and the day after, which is 28th, 29th and 30th, very heavy rainfall is likely over mainly coastal Tamil Nadu.
The IMD has issued a warning of flash floods and waterlogging in populated areas, which could lead to traffic disruptions and other challenges. In response to the heavy rains, a holiday has been declared for schools and colleges in Thiruvarur, Kadalur, Nagapattinam, and Mayaliduthurai districts. Meanwhile, schools in Chennai, Chengalpet, Ariyalur, and Kanchipuram have also been closed for the day. To ensure public safety, NDRF and state response teams have been deployed in the Delta districts and Chennai. Additionally, fishermen have been advised not to venture into the sea until further notice due to the adverse weather conditions.
We are expecting heavy to very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall even in very populated areas. So associated with that, in the rivers there may be flash floods. In the cities there will be waterlogging, there will be traffic disruption, and for low-lying areas there will be risk of localized flooding associated with the system. Next 4 to 5 days there will be fishermen warnings as well as coastal warnings for all along the southern parts of the East Peninsular coast.
IMD officials have also warned that Cyclone Fengal will impact the coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh, bringing heavy to very heavy rainfall to the region over the next few days.
Nellore and Tirupati today we are expecting heavy rainfall, and tomorrow Tirupati, Nellore and Chittur we are expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall, and adjacent districts like Annamaya, YSR, Kadapa and Prakasham we are expecting heavy rainfall, and along with this heavy rainfall there is a chance for the high wind also. At present it is continuing like 35 to 45, gusting 55, and by evening today and tomorrow it will continue like 55 to 65, gusting 75. So with this strong winds we are expecting a lot of damages also, like especially the uprooting of the trees and telephone and electric poles also there is a chance, and old buildings there is a chance to collapse also.
The IMD has also issued an orange alert for the neighbouring union territory of Puducherry, predicting heavy rainfall. In light of this, the Puducherry government has declared a holiday for all government and private schools as well as colleges on Wednesday.